Hello everyone! Today I'll show you how to change the keybinds in R.E.P.O. Let's begin by opening the settings menu, then go to controls. Here you can change the movement controls, as in WASD, for moving forward, left, back, right. You can change it to whatever you like. Of course, jumping, crouching, you can enable toggle crouch or hold crouch. You can do so also for sprint, so hold, toggle. Of course, you can change the input. There is also the Tumble button, which is by the default bound to Q. Then there are grabbing settings. You can toggle grab between hold and toggle. Of course, you can also change the input. There is also rotate, push and pull. The same goes basically for other, where you can change the map, toggle hold, interact, inventory, key slots 1, 2, 3, chat, confirm, back, menu, spectate next, spectate previous, push to talk, toggle mute. You can enable or disable, you can toggle or hold the player expression completely. So I will go with toggle, and you can choose the input for expression angry, sad, suspicious, eyes closed, crazy and happy. And those were all available controls to change. If you make any mistake or you want to go back to the default settings, simply hit this button, then hit yes. And that's it. Thank you for watching, and please remember to like, comment and subscribe.